Greetings everyone and welcome to video 2 in Hebrew Online. The whole purpose of this video, maybe last 10-15 minutes, is to give you some tips on how to succeed in an online language class, which of course is going to have its own set of challenges, not to mention the fact that it's language, and none of us are children anymore. When developmentally we're able to learn these languages much more quickly, we're all adults, and so we are at something of a disadvantage. So we need to do everything we can, everything we can to maximize our time and to make sure that we're learning Hebrew both effectively and efficiently. So what I want to do is just give you some tips on how you can do that, and then hopefully that will be helpful to you. The first thing that I think you should know, I have to scroll here, is you need to know the syllabus. You need to read it carefully yourself. And if you have questions, then you need to contact me about that. And here's my contact info. I suggest that you first go with email. I'm wired in many ways and connected to the web, so I'm going to get an email actually faster than I'll get a phone call, or then I'll have access to my voicemail in the office. And I'll be traveling a little bit this semester, so if you have a question, it's best to go through email, and then I can contact you, and we can sort of set up a phone conversation if necessary, or we can go through Skype or Hangouts or any number of ways. But if you need to contact me, go through email. Except in extraordinary circumstances, you'll get a response back within 24 hours, and in most cases within 8 to 12 hours. But give me a 24-hour window. That would be very much appreciated. So the first thing is you need to know the syllabus, and so you need to read through it on your own. And here are some objectives and competencies. But in terms of succeeding in the class and doing well on just in terms of grading, you need to know this section, the responses to the question, how will I be assessed? And that will be done through homework, quizzes, and exams. I'm not going to read through those or go into those in much detail now. You need to look at that. And then also, there's no specific grade assigned to this, but you are required to participate in the weekly conferences. And we're currently setting those up through Doodle. All of you have presumably indicated which time slots will work for you. And so I will then create small group sessions in which you will meet with me or with the TA to go over material. And that will involve drills. It will involve Q&A. It's a time for you to bring questions. So that's required. You are allowed to miss 2. So we will